for me.
Jillian.
J-I-O-O.
What's your middle name?
I had Marie.
What's your last name?
Sands.
Can you spell Sands?
S-A-N-D-S.
You are so smart. And how old are you? How many is that?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5? Can you spell your sister's name?
K-A-L-T-Y-N.
Pretty good. What's her last name?
Sands.
What's your brother's name?
Wayman.
How do you spell that?
I only know the first letter, not the other letters. Only the first letter.
What's the first letter? What?
R.
R.
Oh, you can make a lowercase.
Very good. You're smart.
That's how you do a J in lower.